मोहम्मद अकरम और आज हम जो आपके लिए वीडियो लाए हैं MDCAT बायोलॉजी के MCQs हैं। इसमें हमने 68 क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया हुआ है। ये हमारे MDCAT प्रिपरेशन की तैयारी के लिए क्वेश्चन की थर्ड वीडियो है। पहले हमने फिजिक्स की और उसके बाद केमिस्ट्री, अब आप बायो के MCQs अपलोड कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास, बुक लंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इन आर्थ्रोपॉड्स फॉर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस इन इंसेक्टा क्लास, ऑप्शन नंबर सी। 2 है हमारे पास, लार्वे ऑफ विच ग्रुप आर सिमिलर टू चार्डेट्स, एक्नोडर्मेटा, ऑप्शन नंबर ए। ये हमने सबसे ज़्यादा जो है पास्ट पेपर से MCQs लिए हैं, क्योंकि पास्ट पेपर से मोस्टली जो है रिपीट MCQs आते हैं पेपर में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन विच इन्वॉल्व स्टेप बाय स्टेप ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ कार्बन चेन मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द सेल इज कॉल्ड cutaneous respiration, option number D. 4, an instrument that is used to measure the relative abilities of different pigments with the different wavelength of light is called photometer. 5 हमारे पास, end products of yeast fermentation, bacterial fermentation and anaerobic respiration are. अब ये end products बतानी है इन तीनों की, तो ये है हमारे पास ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, carbon dioxide and water. 6, the term which is implied to loss of appetite due to fear of becoming obese is anorexia nervosa, option number C. 7, which one of the following act as a functional unit of lungs in man, air sac, option number A. 8, which one of the following factor is directly proportional to oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin, pH. And हमारे पास expiration in human beings is carried out by relaxation of intercostal and diaphragm muscles. 10 हमारे पास, gene for albinism in man is present on chromosome number, दार बतानी है 11. Question number 11 है, which one of the following statement best describe the function of senatorial node? It sends out electrical impulses to arterial muscles, causing both atria to contract. Question number 1 plus 12 by granulocytes or white blood cells are produced in red bone marrow, option number C. 13 है, the flow of lymph in lymphatic vessels is maintained by breathing movements, activity of skeletal muscles and walls. 14, metabolic waste from metabolism of nucleic acid is uric acid. 15, the central metabolic station and clearing house of the body is liver. 16, and the muscles that control urine in bladder are known as sphincter muscles, option number B. 17, the living cells of cartilage are called chromatopsites, option number A. 18, the disease which causes immobility and fusion of vertebral joints is spondylolysis. 19, during muscle contraction क्या होता है, eye band shortens. 20, reflexes and instincts type of behavior respond to which combination, aggression, mating and altruism. 21 है, atypical neuron at rest is more positive outside than inside. 22, the first cell produced by the repeated cell division of germinal epithelium of testes are spermatogonia. 23, which chromosome abnormality in human cause aggressive and antisocial behavior, XYY. 24, gray equatorial cytoplasm produces notochord and neural tube, option number B. 25, sickle cell anemia is example of which type of chromosome defect, point mutation, option number D. 26, karyotype of an individual is fill in the blank. यहाँ पर आप chromosomes, number and types of chromosomes. 27. In the process of replication of DNA begins at one or both places where there is a specific sequence of nucleotides. 28. Amino acid attaches at the site of RNA, 3 side with terminal OH. 29. High microtubules of spindle fibers are composed of a protein called tubulin. 30. The canopore fibers contract and spindle or pole fibers elongate during anaphase 1. Cell death due to tissue damage is called necrosis. 32. When a disease is transmitted directly from an infected father to his son, it is called Y-linked. 33. हमारे पास epistatus is a relationship between two different genes at different loci. 34. The group of interbreeding individuals of particular species sharing common geographical area is called population. 37. A gene can be synthesized in the laboratory from messenger RNA by using reverse transcriptase. 38 है antibiotic resistance gene for tetracycline and ampicillin are present in the plasmid PBR322. Option number B. 39 है cloning is a form of vegetative propagation. 40 है which of the following protein is common in man and aerobic bacteria? Cytochrome. Option number B. 41 है ozone filter ultraviolet radiation from the sun in the upper atmosphere. 42 है a parasitic living inside body of host is called endoparasite. 43 है an association between two organisms benefiting both is called symbiosis. 44 in an aquatic ecosystem human activities may accelerate the process of eutrophication. 45 beriberi is due to disease has a nutritional deficiency. 46 the natural heat energy trapped underground is geothermal energy. 47 which of the following is the lowest level of biological organization with respect to the others? Multicellular organism. 48 the set of all genes in any population is termed as gene pool. 49 what is the role of ribosomes in the cell? Protein synthesis. 50 which of the following is an example of a codon? All of the above. 51 which process involves the exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes crossing over? 52 which enzyme is responsible for DNA replication? DNA polymerase. 53 which of the following is the characteristics of a plant cell? Cell wall. 54 which part of the cell cycle is responsible for cell growth and preparation of for division? G1 phase. 55 in which part of the cell does glycolysis occur? Cytoplasm. 56 the process of converting mRNA into a protein is known as translation. 57 in which organ of the human body does digestion of protein begins? Stomach. 58 the basic unit of heredity is known as gene. 59 which type of symbiotic relations benefits both species involved? Mutualism. Option number C. 60 in human genetics the presence of an extra chromosome 21 leads to Down syndrome. 61 which organelle is responsible for packing and distributing proteins? Golgi apparatus. 62 in which phase of cellular respiration is the majority of ATP produced? Electron transport chain. 63. The movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration is known as osmosis. 64. Which of the following structure is the human body responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. 65. Which type of blood vessels carries blood away from the heart? Artery. 66. The fundamental unit of classification in biology is known as species. 67. In a eukaryotic cell, which of the following processes involve the formation of a new cell wall and cell membrane to separate two daughter cells? Cytokinesis. Option number B. 68. Which of the following is correct sequence of stages in the process of cellular respiration? Option number A. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. ये 60 MCQs कंप्लीट हो गए हैं और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट हम जो है हम इंग्लिश के पोर्शन के MCQs वो भी अपलोड करेंगे। अगर आप हमारी वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं और हमारे चैनल आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक भी करें, शेयर भी करें। हमारी वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।